Why dag? Why dag? That is my jam. DJ Spin is back. Spin is back.
I'm here.
That's what I'm talking about. How to jumping up in here.
I can't.
Well, we back on Why Dag. This is my show, Joe in the house, with my girl, Nas. Get ready for her blog. As tall as a tree. Corey, get ready for his untold story. And we got DJ Spin back in there, a.k.a. Spinster, a.k.a. the Spin Wonder.
You know Joe gotta go on the road, man. This is how it is. This is how it goes. I know y'all miss me.
Well, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Man.
Salute to the fathers, the real fathers that are.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? Even the child support paying fathers, you know what I mean? Those guys too.
Even the ones that's late.
Yeah.
Late.
I mean, how, you know, did everybody take their fathers out?
Somebody took my father out.
Oh, okay.
Right, so I text my father and I'm like, yo, like, why you text me back? He texts my sister back. So I'm like, why you text me back? He's like, oh, I'm sorry, daughter. I'm driving in the turnpike. I'm like, what? But thank you so much. I love you. Whatever.
My dad, my African dad, I was like, I called him too. I said, hey.
Oh, I got a Haitian dad.
Oh, you got a Haitian? Yeah, I got an African dad. I was like, hey, Dad, happy Father's Day. He just sucked his teeth literally for like 1 minute. He was like, I said, what's that? He said, I don't need happy Father's Day. Where's my gift? I was like, where's my gift from the last 24 years? You've never given me a birthday gift, ever. Every time, Dad, what I get for my birthday? What did your mother get you? He's thankful. Your mother got you. Like, he always pay me off. Yeah. And he has the audacity to ask for a gift. He's like, you're working, you have money, you can't, your poor father, you can't take him out and let him enjoy himself on his day. I was like, you don't even pay child support. I'm raising your kids. I was like, my poor father, you got money, first of all. You got money. He gets a new car every day. I'm like, first of all, where's this coming from? He's a company car. It's not mine. I'm like, no, lie to me, old man. But it's funny because, you know, since I raised my sisters and stuff like that, it was cute. They gave me a happy Father's Day card. Even me, I wanted the gift. I opened the card. I was like, oh, just a card?
You ain't talking.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, you ain't talking money. Get out of my face. You 15 years old, you ain't got no job? Yeah, my face. But thank you. It's the thought that counts. But you know, it's good to. Everyone makes a big deal of Mother's Day, so you know it's nice for the fathers to get something, you know, once in a while.
Once a year.
Yeah, once a year, because women, you guys have birthday, anniversary, Christmas.
Basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Valentine's Day. Yep. Monday through Sunday. Yep. You guys got that, but that one Father's Day.
That one day
when every dad gets a tie.
Yeah, I know, and a wallet.
And a tool. What you get? What you get, DJ Smash?
I got two of the same gifts. But they didn't even buy them at the same time. Like, you know how the school you can buy stuff?
Yeah.
It's two money holders. Same thing. But they bought them at two different times.
Yeah, that's hey.
So I gotta get a lot more money so I can hold both of them. Because I gotta use it.
Yeah, word. Yeah, man. You know, we gotta get better gifts for the fathers, though.
I might get Corey one. Yeah, you can have the other one. I just thought about it.
I need one of those, man. Yeah, we about to tear it up, man.
I can't.
Let's see how Corey waved that on. Hey, we gotta work.
I know, we gotta work.
We gonna
need that money
holder. Going on the road, you gotta let us go.
No, it ain't no. We gotta go.
No, you can stay home.
Why I gotta stay home?
Stay home and take care of your responsibilities. Let Corey.
I do take care of my responsibilities.
You do, but I'm just saying Corey's gonna be out.
Yeah.
So let's send you a text like, yo, you gotta handle this.
You see, he ain't saying that, right?
No. I want to see how she gonna take it.
Oh, okay.
Seeing if she agrees. You agree with that?
Don't look at me.
Not all the time. We already had this discussion. I'm a part of the team.
You are part of the team.
So that means we out on a business trip.
I get my mother on you. I ain't gonna deal with this.
Why you guys get your mother?
Yeah, because I know that's the only way you'll back down to.
I don't want no problem with Coach Stan. No problem. I stay home.
Hashtag FCM, The fresh. Pharaoh.
Baby girl, look get up on your page. I can be a man if it's only for a day, yeah.
Let me be your man, crush Monday, Monday. Let me be your man, crush Monday. Ever since I started following you, I was liking all your pictures, babe. You was liking mine too, so I don't see no issues, baby. Liking all of your pictures, telling all of my bros, and you telling all of your sisters. Got that pretty face in your body, making money you bout it. I'ma slide in your DM so we can be more than friends. What's up? Ooh, we can text or something if we want to. Baby girl, we can FaceTime and we can chill or something if you want to. So tell me your name so we can get this thing started. Don't make it private. Let me be your man, crush Monday. Hashtag man crush Monday. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. And I'll make you my woman crush Wednesday. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. Let me be your man crush Monday. Monday. Let me be your man crush Monday. Ever since I started following you, I was liking all your pictures, babe. You was liking mine too, so I don't see no issues, babe. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. Ever since I started following you, I was liking all of your pictures, babe. You was liking mine too, so I don't see no issues, baby. Yeah. Creeping on your profile. It says you're single in your bio. And I cannot believe it, baby. You look like you should be a model. Cause to be honest, you don't need no filters. I ain't playing games with emoji, babe. Should've been new, I was filling up. I'ma comment on the old pic, like let me get them digits. What's up with it? What's up, baby? Oh, we can text some if you want to. Baby girl, we can FaceTime, we can chill some if you want to. So tell me your name so we can get this thing started. Don't make it private. Let me be your man. Hashtag man crush Monday. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. And I'll make you my woman crush Wednesday. Hashtag FCM. Hashtag FCM. Let me be your man, baby. Let me be your man crush Monday. Monday.